You look like you've all dressed up for the cold. Where are we?
I am, Jeff. It's such a beautiful, sunny day. And you decide to bring me up to the... How high are we, Jeff?
We're at the highest part of the Blue Mountains in Blackheath.
In Blackheath, yes. You thought you'd like to come and have a look at Blackheath because of Blackheath in England, even though I've never heard of it. Hey-oh. And what's the temperature? Yes.
2 degrees.
2 degrees.
And I have the proof.
I don't do cold.
No.
So
That's why you're dressed up like Nanook of the North.
no, I'm still not. This is Captain Do. I'm asking for a refund. It's cold. So follow us.
TTFN. And here we are at Blackheath, virtually the main street.
Oh, look at this antique shop over here, Jack.
I can't see it.
It's got a sale on.
Oh, yeah. There's a house over there for lease, love. I'm sure you'd love to live up here.
No, Jana don't do the cold. Don't do the cold.
Should we cross over, or? Oh, you want to look at that bistro up there or something?
Yeah, it's the
Okay.
old building, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so. Well, we'll take a walk up here. There's a few cafes, but I ain't sitting outside. There's absolutely no chance that... Oh, yeah. Really old. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Did I say that out loud?
I'm afraid you did. Oh, look at the... Oh, those toilets. Oh, Jeff needs to try the toilets out. Let's keep going.
It's like heated seats.
Probably not. You leave that to Richmond, the cafe in Richmond, for the heated seat. And the air dryer for your bum. Oh, look at that. Altitude, gourmet, sandwich bar. You could do one like that, but you could call it attitude. That should. What's that? That place is open. That place you just walked past. Didn't look very open, but... No. It's a hotel, isn't it? It's a hotel, look. Well, I did, but then I realised it's a hotel. It's the Ivanhoe Hotel. Wow, it is freezing. At 2 degrees feels like minus 2 degrees. Oh no. This is the actual main road that runs right through Blackheath and takes you all the way back down to Katoomba and then back down into Sydney. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Gotta find some warmth. There's Jan, all rugged up. Good on her. Oh, TTFN.
So where have we come now, John?
This is Lithgow. Yeah, this is Lithgow. We're just heading towards the town centre. Don't know where we're going. We'll follow the traffic.
They're all going to
Emergency, yes. Enfield Avenue.
a real old town, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh, hometown. Well, after we're turning round and come back, we'll just see what we see as we go through. Oh, this is one of the. This is really what I thought Australia was. When I first thought of coming here, I was like, I'm going to go down there, turn around, and come back.
I was thinking of the Sullivans, like I'm on this when I was a little girl.
Actually, I think it's a round down there. I'll go down there. Lithgow Working Men's Club.
Oh, we could go there. Should we go there?
I don't know whether we'll be. No, we. Sorry?
Yeah, we go to visitors.
Where's the entrance? That's not it. I'll just put it.
Jeff, what does this green button do?
Oh, it's flashing. It should Bluetooth your phone so you can control your phone from it. But you've not set up the Bluetooth yet. So
Oh,
that's what it's
fancy.
for.
Look at that old train.
Yeah, I just haven't.
Well, then it just started, isn't it?
I didn't even think it was charged up.
Yeah, I just pressed it and green light came on.
That's probably through Bluetooth. I don't know.
Most probably over there, isn't
Yeah. On the work, well, it takes a long second.
it? That's alright. My seat that worked.
I can't find the entrance.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Right, here we are at Lithgow Blast Furnaces. I'm going to go and have a look at the information boards, because I don't know much about this area and what exactly they were blasting. It could have been iron ore or, yeah, I just don't know. So I'm going to check out the information boards, and then you'll be able to, if you're interested, to pick up on the information. As you can see, it was all set up. The railway comes through into the railway yard over there and taking whatever ore it was out. And still a very picturesque area. So here we go. Here's the boards. Oh, so it was steel. It was iron ore then. Yeah. Well, I'll get closer to that. There we are, folks. I was poured pause it on your TV if you want. So we go across here. It's just telling us where we are and where to go. So we'll just give that a quick zoom up. It's still freezing. Go around. Oh, here's the pictures. Oh, look. There's the toffs. Never got their hands dirty in a day. The manager, the foremans and the manager may have done started off on the shop floor. So I won't bore you to death. I'll just gently go through them, just give you an idea of what it looks like. Oh wow! It's just froze my fingers off. I know where it came from, but I know where it went. Right, here we go. On the move. Oh. Still didn't get me mic out. Okay, right, there's a lot of information boards around, but I'm going to get over here and we'll have a look. Looks like I've cordoned most of it off. You can't even see much. I don't know, there should be a way in. Pardon? No, I'm not going to go under. There should be, because there's steps and there's a viewing platform there, so I'm thinking it should be round this way. Look, I know you're a rebel. This is like the Dudley area, Telford, of this particular part of Australia, I would say. It is so cold. My fingers are dropping off. So taking in turns with my hands. Jan's taking separate photos, so I'm assuming this is some kind of smelting area. I've seen things like this up in Bridge North, set in the sides of the hill. Been around when them lot fell off. outside a church. Church to the God of Steel. And you come down. It'd been nice and warm in here in its heyday, but it'd have been well warm. I'd say it's dropped again because my hands are feeling like my fingers are going to fall off. Yeah. Moan, moan, whinge, whinge. We have to go back the way we came. Yes. Don't worry, we're heading back to the car very shortly. A shame we haven't got freezer vision or mine smaller vision. Are you going to get a snap of these boards? Yeah, so show it to your dad. As soon as that wind comes, the chill factor, it must go, actually, I'd say we're going into zero with that chill factor. Come to Australia, it's nice and warm. Bullshit. Yeah, I thought so, that's what, exactly right. I think it's because we're up on this piece as well. We'll take a quick walk down there. Oh. Oh. Right. This is the quick trip back. The Davy Engine House. Country Museum as well, but not working. Onto the bank, if you can hear me, just to take a look down.